Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin, and this is the real, whoops, that hand. This is the real laptop lifestyle. Now, today's video is about Kindle publishing. If you're really interested in making an ongoing passive income, you want to pay really serious attention to this because what I'm going to show you today actually works. The reason I know, I do it. I do some Kindle publishing. I'm not very big in it, but I have created a few passive income streams. Enough, in fact, when I wouldn't have to work if I just relied on that. I could pack up now, and they've been growing. I haven't been doing much, but they carry on growing, and I carry on making money. However, I know someone, a young lady, who really got into this about a year ago. Within 3 months, she was halfway through a university course. She just decided to give up because she could never make the sort of money she was making from Kindle and the passive income she was making from Kindle. Now, 3 years on, she bought a house. I don't know if she's paid cash for it, wouldn't be surprised, but she's bought a house and she lives a very good lifestyle. She lives life on her terms. Now, I must tell you right now that you don't have to be a writer to publish Kindle books. In fact, she doesn't. She did write a couple of books of her own, but then she found the easy way of doing it. So what I'm going to show you right now, or I'm going to introduce to you, is someone who's really got this worked out, and they've got a course. And if you listen to what he's saying, he can tell you far more about it than I can. So I'm going to put you right over to him in just a moment because he'll introduce it to you, and I'll come back to you in just a little while. Enjoy.
Hey, my name's Stefan Palernos, and I want to welcome you to the K-Money Mastery website. On this website, I'm going to reveal to you my proven step-by-step method to making a six-figure passive income with Kindle publishing, and I'm going to share with you how you can get started making money with Kindle today. Now, before I get into that, let me share with you a little bit about myself. First, I'm not one of these internet gurus that hides behind a computer screen and has this elaborate presentation that's focused on scamming you. I'm a real person making real money online, and I want to be as open and transparent with you as possible about exactly how much money I'm making with Kindle and how you can do the same as well. Now, I've been doing online marketing for a number of years now, and I've done almost everything out there. I've made money with affiliate marketing, I've created and sold my own information products, I've done search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, blogging. In fact, I have a very successful blog called projectlifemaster.com, as well as a YouTube channel. And if you go on over there, you can see that I have thousands of followers and subscribers, and I'm just a real guy that's focused on helping people. Now, the reason why I got attracted to making money with Kindle in the first place is because out of all the methods that I've done with making money online, I've discovered that making money with Kindle is by far the easiest and fastest way to get started making money on the internet today. In fact, you can literally publish a book today and less than 24 hours from now have that book published on Amazon.com, making you passive income. And the great thing is you don't need to know internet marketing or technical computer stuff or graphic design or web design or copywriting or SEO. In fact, you don't even need to be able to write your own books. With my method, I'm going to share with you how you can outsource and automate this entire process. I'm going to share with you how you can hire native English-speaking writers to write your Kindle books for you inexpensively, as well as get your Kindle book covers done for as low as $5. Now, let me share with you exactly how I got into Kindle publishing. I have a few ebooks that I sell on different websites for a number of years now, and these are ebooks that are basically different home remedies that treat different skin conditions. And what I decided to do was take those ebooks and just publish them as Kindle books on Amazon.com just to see what would happen. And right away, I was blown away by the results. I immediately started making money without even doing anything. I was making around $300 a month. And so I knew that there was potential there. In fact, Kindle has grown 119% every single year, and it's not slowing down because more and more people are consuming information in digital formats. They're consuming information on their computers, their tablets, their smartphones, and their Kindle readers. And so it's a trend that's not going away. It's just growing every single year. And so soon after that, I decided to take content from my Project Life Mastery blog as well as YouTube channel and have it rewritten into Kindle books and publish them on Amazon, and I was blown away by the results. My income went from $300 a month up to $4,000 a month passive income within only 3 months. And so I just started scaling it up more from there. And since then, I've taught this to my friends, my family, my sister who's a stay-at-home mom and doesn't know any internet marketing experience. She's done this and had a lot of success with it. My brother, even my mom who's in her 60s approaching retirement, she's had success with Kindle as well. I've now coached dozens of people now one-on-one through my blog and coaching program, and I've seen so many people be able to quit their jobs, be financially free, travel the world, and just live a life that they only could have dreamed of. So I now personally make a six-figure passive income from Kindle, and I decided that I'd create a course that teaches everything that I do, and it's called K-Money Mastery. Now, K-Money Mastery is a membership site that consists of over 26 video tutorial lessons that breaks down everything in step-by-step detail on how to create, publish, market, and make money from Kindle books. I also have bonus videos on how to outsource and automate this entire process. So you can hire virtual assistants from the Philippines that can do a lot of this stuff for you for $2 to $3 an hour. I also have bonus videos on how you can set goals with your Kindle business, how you can overcome laziness and procrastination and stay motivated with this process. We also have downloadable PDF reports that break down everything in even more details, as well as templates that are pre-formatted that you can send to your book writers or you can send to your graphics designer, and it just makes this process so much easier. We also have an exclusive Facebook group community of hundreds of other members that have been through the course that are making money, having success. They'll answer your questions, they'll give you feedback, they'll review your books, they'll help promote your books, and just help you succeed in this entire process. K-Money Mastery is by far the best Kindle money making course out there, and I can confidently say that because I've been through every other course out there and there's nothing that comes close. Now, I want to encourage you to check out the rest of this website, watch this video fully, check out the testimonials from other members, and take advantage of this Kindle money making opportunity today. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the inside. If you've been wanting to know how to make passive income online, then pay special attention because I'm going to show you how to finally get started today. I'll take you by the hand and show you step by step how you can finally make a killing just by selling a few simple Kindle ebooks that will generate passive income month after month. Best of all is you can start applying my profit-inducing system in just 5 minutes from now, even if you're a complete newbie. You don't even need to write the books yourself. Someone else will do it for you. Look, I don't have a PhD. I got a C in my English class, for Christ's sake. So I left it to someone better than me at writing to write all my books for practically pennies. These are the books that make me over $8K per month on autopilot. There are a lot of great writers out there who are out of work. They'll write great books for next to nothing. The key is knowing where to find them. When I combine their books with my Kindle secrets, we have a recipe for success nearly 100% of the time. All you need to do is copy my exact step-by-step method and collect your royalties. Here's undeniable proof. These are my 6-week royalties for my personal US Kindle publisher account, $5,710.45. Here's more royalties that I've earned from my UK Kindle account, 524 British pounds. And another from my business publisher US account, $5,473.21. How would you like to have these earnings in your account? I probably don't have to tell you this, but it's no secret that the easiest and fastest way to make money is by harnessing the power of Kindle. Most people like you and I who know how to seize a profitable opportunity already know this. As a matter of fact, millions of ebooks are selling every day on this platform. And if you know how to grab just a tiny fraction of what's selling on Kindle right now, then you're golden.
Okay, so what to do next? You need to learn more. So let's go to the page right now. Just click on the link directly below this video. Okay, so here we are. We're inside his sales page, and you've actually seen this video already, but it's here for you to watch again. Now, let's get straight to the price. The cost of this course is $97. That's not every month. That's just a one-off payment. And guess what? It includes a 30-day full money back guarantee. So you've got nothing to lose, but everything to gain. Now, just imagine if you made $97 your first month or second month, and then you made $97 every month after that. Would this be a good deal? If you carried on making it for the rest of your life, would it be a good deal? Of course it would. But if you take this seriously, you can make a lot more than that. If you use the tips, the tricks, the techniques that you're about to be introduced to, you will make money. It just needs you to apply yourself. So don't go telling people, oh, you know, I need an opportunity. This is a huge opportunity. You just have to take it. He shows you some of the people who've purchased just recently, and he tells you all about it. And one of the things that I'd like to point out here is he's got proof of earnings. He made from his US Kindle account $5,710 in 1 month, and 6 weeks royalties from the UK, 524. Now I can tell you can absolutely quadruple this money. More interestingly, he's got a lot of feedback from different students who've given him testimonials. Excuse me, don't know why I've got hiccups, but I have. So you got Mike, Isabel, Azef, and Nick, and I think there's some more as you go down. And there's a full course, but this is what you're going to learn. In lesson 1, you're going to learn about finding a profitable niche marketplace. Now, it's no good writing Kindle books or getting Kindle books written on areas which are not profitable, because you're not going to make any money. So this guy has researched this. You've got to find a profitable niche, and he's going to show you exactly how to do that. He's going to show you how to do the keyword research that makes this work, how to create a title that sells, and titles are so important. The nice thing is, if you get it wrong, you can alter it and retest it. How to design a cover that sells. Yep, the covers really sell the book for you. Kindle book creation, he's going to show you how to do that. Do you know something? It's so easy you wouldn't believe. If you've got it written and prepared, you'll have it up in 20 minutes. Preparing your book for publishing, creating a KDP account. That's your Kindle publishing account. Publishing your book on Kindle, viewing your Kindle book, getting Amazon reviews. Now, this is really important. I've never got many Amazon reviews, but if you can do that, if you can get lots of reviews, you'll suddenly start making lots more profit. Marketing your book on KDP Select. Now that's a special marketplace, a way of getting extra income. So when it's written, you don't have to do any more. You've got a book, you've written a book, and now it's starting to sell. You just spend a bit of time on marketing. You write a second book, or you get a second book written, and then you publish that. And before long, you've got loads of little assets providing you passive income. Boosting your Amazon keyword rankings. I can give you a few tricks on that. I've used a few of these and they really work. Setting up your Amazon Author Central account, monetizing your Kindle book. Now that's actually earning from your book. This is something I've done quite a lot with my books. And by the way, there's none of them in my name. I've always written under a pseudonym for certain reasons and marketing reasons. But I actually monetize the book. There's things that they can buy through the book. There's links they can go through to. And best of all, I really build my email list. Now, the thing is, if people like one of your books, they're likely to be interested in the next one also. So if you've got them on your list, very often, that's pretty much money in the bank, because as soon as you inform them, a high percentage will buy it immediately, especially if you give them an incentive. So creating a series of books and monetizing the back end. Yeah, this is something you need to learn about. That's where the real money is. Dealing with negative reviews. Unfortunately, you get a few. I don't know why. I think some people in life just go through and complain. I have this on Facebook. Some people, whatever you do, even if you're giving something away for nothing, even if you're helping people, if you're encouraging people, there's somebody who always has to go out there and rain on somebody else's parade, probably because they don't have a parade of their own. Scaling up your Kindle books and making more money. This is the important bit. Making one's fine, but you need to have, within a few years, have a good few of them running, and then you've got a very positive profit stream. How to make your books publish long term. How to track, manage, and optimize your Kindle books. So he's giving you a very in-depth tutorial, and you can come through here and look at all of this yourself. And he's got some bonuses for you. Bonus 1, automation and outsourcing with virtual assistants. Now, I use virtual assistants and they're so important. They make my job so much easier. They do all the grunt work I don't want to or don't want to find time for. goal setting for Kindle publishing mindset and philosophy for success. You get that right and you can start making it happen. And this is a bonus. Kindle publishing ritual for scaling up, also very important. Bonus 5, non-US tax requirements. I don't think that's really a problem, but it might be more of a problem if you're outside the US in the future. Creating a corporation or LLC for your Kindle business, yeah, they can get that big. They really can. Accounting basics for your Kindle books. Okay, so you can see more. You've got some more, or I think you've got the same. Yes, you've got some different testimonials down here. Come through and see what they have to say. People don't give testimonials, especially on video, easily. So you can see this is very well worthwhile. And let me remind you again, you get a money back guarantee. So to get through to this page, just click on the link directly, wrong finger, directly below this video, and you can spend time looking at it. But don't wait too long, because, you know, when there's a good offer there, you need to take it. Remember, you've got a 30-day guarantee. So just bite the bullet, do it, and you could have a new income stream, a very profitable, very lucrative income stream if you embrace it, working for you very quickly. And remember, you don't have to write, or if you want to learn to write, they're going to show you how to as well. It's all included. So all I have to do right now is ask you if you have any questions or comments. And if you do, write them directly below, wrong finger, directly below this video, and I will answer them for you. If you could click the blue button for me, it tells me you've enjoyed the video. If you click the thumbs down, it tells me you didn't. I prefer you click the thumbs up. And please, finally, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the little bell, because this means I'll keep you updated with every new video that I make. And some of them are really good. I'm getting loads of comments back of people saying they're making money using some of my suggestions. Now, I've really enjoyed making this video for you today. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for joining me. Now, go out and take action. If you don't go and take action, nothing's going to happen. So until next time, bye-bye for now.